Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be building the LEGO Juniors Easy to Build Incredibles 2 set 10759. It comes with Elastigirl and a villain. I'm not as familiar with this as I'd like to be, but I did think it's quite a good set when I saw it, and I thought it'd be a bit of fun to build. So there we have it. That's the front, that's the back of the box. Obviously it's essentially one of the 4+ sets. It's 4 to 7, so probably lots of big bits in it. And plus I did like the Elastigirl figure in it as well. So it has the newer style box opening as well, which is the sellotape without the actual popper type ones where you just push the thumb ones where you push them in like that. So let me just do this very carefully. Have a few bags. We'll put the box over here. Put this. We have 2 bags divided into bag number 1 and bag number 2. So a relative build shouldn't be too bad. This is the Elastigirl body, which was also used on the Ms. Marvel one from the Captain America set. So first of all we make Elastigirl up. These scissors don't always like cutting plastic, which probably makes them quite safe. So there we have the Elastigirl body with the long arms. And that's bag number, all the bits should be in bag number 1, so. Put the bags over here, we don't need those. Elastigirl has 2 faces on it, which is that one there and the slightly less happy one there. So we're losing a bit there, so we'll move that over here. This body could also be used for Mr. Fantastic from the Fantastic Four when Marvel get round to actually filming that, when they get around to doing that. So, and she has a Lego walkie-talkie with a detector on it, so they basically can convert a Lego walkie-talkie, which is quite nice. So try and show you that. There we go. The Elastigirl wants to get out of shot a little bit. Not bad detailing on the body really. So it's basically quite a simple outfit she has anyway. We'll put her here so she can be seen. We don't use the helicopter. Is going to be a relatively simple build, I should think. Here we have the bad guy. I'm not sure who he is, but I'm quite sure. If anyone does know, please feel free to leave a comment in my. Please feel free to leave a comment at the end of the video. He only seems to have one face, so this is some nice detailing on the body. He seems to be wearing a balaclava, and he seems to have a mask as well, so just to cover his face. So we'll put him over here. She's going to catch him at some point, so I presume it's a him. We have a Lego motorbike. I do quite like these. These usually tend to be quite cool. I've owned various incarnations of Lego motorbikes over the years, so very much a variation on the Batman of the bikes they use in the Batman sets as well. So wheels for the bike. Here we have the bike, looking quite good. Could do with some detailing on it really, but again, no stickers. I'm not sure how she's supposed to ride the bike, because with her elastic powers, I don't think the set's designed for that really, but you can work around that little problem, I think. So now we've got to build the helicopter. These pre-built moulds are okay, I think, because you can kind of tell by looking. If you look at the mould, you can kind of see what they've done. They've kind of put 2 or 3 bits together, and it can be quite time-saving for the lovely people at Lego as well. So. We do seem to be missing a brick part somewhere. Let's have a look. Yes, we do seem to be appearing missing some bricks. No, we don't. It's on top. Like I say, one moulded unit, so. I have printed a nice control panel for the helicopter. Try and show you it. There we go. There we go. Hope you can see it if I go through there. Air vents go on here like so. I've used quite a few Lego Technic parts on it as well on the side, so. helicopter. That's where the back of the helicopter, where that bit goes down like that. So whatever they're getting away with, or whatever their cargo happens, helicopter cargo happens to be. Do the rotor blade now. Doesn't use some kind of villain who uses hypnosis, because looking at the that bit on there, and the fact the goggles do seem to put him in his helicopter. There is one bad guy in his helicopter. Helicopter doing some detailing, but overall not too bad. Open bag number 2. I think this is a film I probably need to find on Sky at some point. I think might have. Hopefully I didn't lose a bit there. So. This is where Lego seems to be building now, so we're using modular pieces. So that's what we have so far. We have so far on it. All right. Next one. Got some of these Lego brick wall pieces. I do quite like these because they're quite. Yeah, you see, you've got some of the Lego brick wall pieces which actually make them look it makes it look a lot more detailed. So. I think this is like the helipad here, so make that. Goes on here like so, just above there. So this is probably meant to be the roof of a building, so I would say. That's what we have so far. We've got some nice moving bits on this, so. That's what we have so far. A little dish goes on here, so, or area, I'm not sure exactly what it's for, so. That's the good thing about Lego, you can use your imagination. Bits over here a minute. Have that bit there. I do quite like that bit. Quite cool. Obviously shows the superheroes are getting their popularity ratings going up, so. This bit goes in here like so. And I've got a little Lego laptop as well with this set. It's quite nice. And one spare bit, which is quite nicely organised. So, oh, here we go. Here we have a little comic strip that goes with it as well, obviously telling the story. Obviously, she tracks the villain's up in his helicopter, there's his like radar dish, and she jumps up and deals with him. So, quite a nice set, very enjoyable build. If you have any comments or feedback, please let me know. If you like this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. I would like to thank my regular subscribers. I hope everyone's safe in this current situation as well. Please stay safe and keep building. And hope to see you on my next video. Thank you very much.